How to find Stitch settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Stitch settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and now just click privacy and click this one here, Stitch. Here you will find Stitch settings. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage Stitch settings on TikTok mobile. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.